Hello, my name is Layla. I'm the wine director at Reed's Fine Foods and Reed's Runaway Gourmet. On a tasting table, it's a wine that caught my attention, captivated my palate, and made me acknowledge a true visionary winemaker. I'm talking about a wine that is not even has arrived in this country. I just had dinner with the owner of the vineyard, and from the first sip, I fell in love with. It's a blend of two grapes, Nero Diavolo and Frappato, both indigenous to the island of Sicily. I can't say enough about this wine. It totally captivated me. The Frappato is a grape that is much like a Pinot. It has acidity, it has a freshness to it, and then what makes it unbelievable is the Nero Diavolo is the grapes are partially age-dried with a tiny bit of botrytis to it. The combination of those together is absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations to the person, the winemaker that thought about making this wine for the first time. It's absolutely extraordinary. And of course, you have to pair it with cheese. Our cheese is another Sicilian cheese that is made from sheep's milk, and it has tiny speckles of red pepper flakes. It's sharp, it's rustic, it's a little bit salty, and it's a perfect complement to this wine. What I want to say is that this wine hasn't even arrived in this country, and Reed's is already on the forefront. We have bought every single bottle that will come to the state of North Carolina. That's how sure I am of this wine. It is just fantastic. Wait until you taste it.